My name is Michael Parkins, president of Greenguard Commercial Cleaning. We are located in service North and South Carolina. Sustainability, in getting started, I would ask yourself and your company, what's you're most interested in? Where does your passion lie? Are you a energy efficiency type person? Are you recycling, waste reduction? Might you be interested in air quality, transportation? For us, eco-friendly products, eco-friendly equipment, battery backpacks, for example, and water conservation. We make sure our janitors are talking to our clients and let them know where there are leaks, where's water drips. That's important. I would join organizations that have the goals and mission of sustainability. You want organizations that are going to keep you motivated, keep you inspired, allow you to learn what the trends are in the industry, and so on. For example, in South Carolina, for me, Sustain SC is an organization that brings commerce and conservation together. In North Carolina, cities like Raleigh, Durham, Charlotte are very intentional in sustainability and the environment. So these organizations, I would think this is where you want to start and make sure you stay abreast of and join. And in North Carolina as well, chapters like USGBC, very important and very connected and very progressive in helping in sustainability and the environment.